What's going on, guys? My name is Ben. How are you guys doing today? And what I have for you today in this video is I want to talk about the Note 7 again because I just read another article and the link to that will be in the description below. The increased number of reports that are reporting about the Galaxy Note 7's overheating issues causing it to start fires has actually increased. Now, here's the thing. Samsung made a recall back in September. Then they finally rolled out replacement units. Those replacement units are getting the same effect again, which is crazy. I mean, since they started rolling out those replacement units, Samsung has sold 900,000 units, and now all those units are going to be coming back here. So I'm making this video because if you have a Galaxy Note 7 right now, take advantage of Samsung's exchange program and return your Note 7 right away. I mean, yeah, sure, it's the best smartphone out there, but I advise that you return it because the people just got burnt by that phone. I mean, that's sad to me because I really love that Note 7. And, I've been having my eye on it, and now I don't even want it anymore due to these issues. I'm going to stick with my Note 4 a little longer, maybe wait until the S8 comes out, and then I'll take a look at that. But this is a big issue for Samsung because now they're going to be losing trust from their customers, and who knows if their future products are going to be safe anymore. And, it's so far what it seems like to me is that the main issue is with one of the cells in the batteries. And how come these batteries are still, overheating and catching on fire, burning people, especially when the replacement units came out? Something must have, I'm assuming something must have happened during the manufacturing process, and whoever they ordered the batteries from messed up during the manufacturing process, and this is going to cost Samsung millions and millions of dollars. And, that's unfortunate. So, Samsung again started another recall by the CSPC, Consumer Safety Product Commission. I think that's what it was pronounced or something. It's the Safety Commission. But, Samsung has to recall all those devices, and I'm not so sure if it's actually worth trying to resell the Note 7 at this point. I would say just forget the Note 7 and, just wait for the S8 to come out and then wait for a Note 8 to come out if there is going to be a Note 8 to come out. Now, could there be various reasons why these batteries are overheating? I don't think it would have anything to do with additional hardware. I think it's just the main battery itself that's not being able to take advantage of all the hardware properly. What did Samsung do to the Note 7? They made the screen better, better cameras, Super AMOLED display, 64 gigabytes of storage. I don't know what might have went wrong in the process. I'm assuming it's just a manufacturing process of the batteries themselves. That they weren't made to take advantage of all this hardware that was built into this nice, sleek phone. And that's unfortunate because the second best phone that I think is the second best would be the Galaxy S7 Edge. Because I'm somebody that loves big screen phones. And for those of you guys who have been subscribed to me for a while, you'll know since I got my Note 4 that I'm a big fan of big phones right now. I went from an iPhone 5, and now that thing is just puny, and it's hard for me to use that thing. And I love the Note series. The unfortunate part is I think this might kill it. And therefore, I am seeing people posting videos on YouTube saying the Note 7 is dead. I'm seeing articles that says the Note 7 is dead. And now there are these other phones that are being made into the competition to compete while Samsung has to stay there and struggle. And, Samsung, the article that I read says that, if the customer wanted to exchange for another Samsung device, like the S7, for example, you can get up to $100 credit towards your bill. And, that's insane. And how many times will Samsung have to do that to gain everybody's trust back? By doing that, they're going to lose even more money. I bet you that. So it's like, what's going to happen to Samsung in the future? Now, I know I've asked this question in my last video, but this part really concerns me. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. I mean, for something like this to happen, it's like 1, 2, or 3 devices. But now this is 47 units total. 47. So it's like, or excuse me, 47 reports total. So it's like, man, what's going on with the Note 7 battery? The problem is I'm not a hardware expert. I'm not a manufacturing expert. Therefore, I can't give you guys all the science on what is happening. I mean, you would have to talk to an engineer or a hardware technician about this. But all I can say is, Samsung, you guys really need to get everything back together. And the Note 7 is too much too much of a hassle. I would say just stop the Note 7 project and just move on with the for the Galaxy S8. And in the meantime, if customers do want a Galaxy Note, they can still get the Galaxy Note 5. I mean, that is still a great phone. I mean, it's not as great as the Note 7, believe it or not, but I can say it right now. The carriers are going to stop selling it. And the Note 7 is not even worth trying to scatter around for at this point, because human safety is very important. Human health is very important. That comes first before anything else. And the unfortunate part for Samsung is that I'm very disappointed and very surprised to see this, even though they rolled out the replacement units. But what are you gonna do? These things happen, and not every company is perfect. I hope that Samsung does not go out of business. This is a sign that's showing that might happen unless they can redeem themselves. So, after seeing all this, do you guys feel like the Note 7 should just come to an end and Samsung should just forget about it, keep continuing reselling the Note 5, and then, sell the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge along that? I mean, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe, rate, comment. Also, check out the description below for my social media links, Twitter and Instagram. And, if you have a Note 7, I advise you to return it. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.